Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Civic power, steering fluid, full guide. Start by warming the engine briefly and parking on level ground with the steering centered. Next, use gloves and eye protection, then clean the reservoir cap before opening. Prepare a catch pan and a clear hose to drain fluid back into a container for proper disposal and recycling procedures. Begin by placing a drain pan under the vehicle and attaching a clear hose to the return line or reservoir spout. Slowly turn the steering wheel from lock to lock while pumping new fluid in to push old fluid out into your container. Keep the reservoir level within the recommended range, check for air bubbles, and add fluid until the steering feels smooth and consistent during operation. After refilling, start the engine and carefully cycle the steering full lock to lock several times to purge air and stabilize pressure. Monitor the reservoir and add fluid as necessary until no bubbles appear and steering feels firm. Inspect hoses and fittings for leaks, then lower the vehicle and perform a short test drive, rechecking the fluid level once the system cools to ensure proper sealing and performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.